there's another update now coming across with the statement made by the Congress leader. The State Election Commission of Jharkhand has now sought a response on infiltrators' comment by Ghulam Ahmed Mir. The State Election Commission has asked the officials from concerned department to send us a report. So we have Tetri with us right now. Tetri, good morning. EC will now look upon if there is any violation of Model Code of Conduct, because if it violates the law, then what is being said that due action would also be taken.
Well, absolutely. Good morning to you, Amita, and the viewers as well. This is a big breaking news that we are getting right now. And in fact, our sources from the top sources have informed that a report will be sought in this entire matter, because remember that BJP has submitted a memorandum to the State Election Commission in the state of Jharkhand. And in fact, they also demanded that Ghulam Ahmed Mir should also be removed as the election in charge from the state of Jharkhand of the Congress, who belongs to the Congress party. And not just that, they in fact also asked to take strict action against him. And in fact, this entire statement made by Ghulam Ahmed Mir turned into a massive political controversy post that attacks and counter-attacks were made. But then what we are getting to know as of now is that the State Election Commission of Jharkhand has sought a report from the concerned department of the concerned officials of the department, and in fact post that they will be, after the report is being submitted, the State Election Commission will go through that entire report and in fact will see that whether it violates the Model Code of Conduct, the MCC, and in fact if it violates the Model Code of Conduct, then an appropriate action will be taken on Ghulam Ahmed Mir. When now we'll have to see that how Congress reacts to this particular major development, because till now, Congress has been defending to what Ghulam Ahmed Mir had said. They in fact kept on saying that infiltrators, he mentioned infiltrators because BJP calls Jharkhandis as infiltrators, and it is an insult to the tribals and the people of Jharkhand. But yes,
of course, this is the political war of words. However, an inquiry that has now been initiated on part of how the BJP has raised the complaint with the State Election Commission. If any violation has occurred after taking cognizance into the comment made by the Congress leader, due action would be taken. Thank you very much, Tetri, for getting us that important breaking update. We head into a short break. You're watching Times Now. Back with the latest headlines.